the sweetness is the dominant smell here. Hello and welcome to Whisky.com, where fine spirits meet. And today we have the last from the Beaumont distillery, the Octomore 07.3 Islay Barley. And it has really astonishing specs. It is non-chill filtered, no coloring, has an age statement, 5 years. Actually, it has a vintage as well, 2010 limited edition. It was matured in American bourbon and Spanish red wine casks. So we have a mixture of casks. We have 169 ppm and we have 63% ABV, which is 126 proof. So from the specs, incredible whiskey. It's actually a bit unfair to taste that right now because I still have a bit of the aftertaste of the last one, but it was an Octomore as well, so it could be excused. I already tried the water, but you're not getting an Octomore out of the system with just water. You just need time. And the cool thing about this bottle is it's transparent. And it's transparent in one of this, is it sandblasted glass? So it's one of the not just quite transparent glass. I don't know how you call that in English. So it's not reflective but stale. I think stale. Yeah, I think stale. Ooh. So I'm really excited about the fact it has more ABV than the last one, but less ppm. So the last one, the smoke was definitely the most dominant character, and this one will taste the a bit more of the alcohol, a bit less of the smoke, but it has 169 ppm. To be considered a peaty whiskey, you have 40, so this is 4 times the amount of peatiness. I would really like to know what kind of ppm they have inside the bottle. If they can hold that high level of peatiness, I don't know. And what about the red wine casks? A really fine, sweet mixture of apricots, lemons, vanilla, and a bit of a flowery note, a bit of a honey flowery note. So it's really a really light one. Bit of a marine thing going on. But the sweetness is the dominant smell here. But as nice as it sounds for a beginner, with a very subtle smoky note, this will not hold on to the taste. So for the smelling, it's a light and delicate one. I wouldn't have expected it to be so light. I would have expected to smell a bit of the alcohol. When you go above 60%, you do smell the alcohol usually. So this is really strange. But I don't dare to go in that deep. The distance between my nose and the glass is unusually far away because it transports just so much of flavor. Oh yeah, if you go in deeper, you get a lot of flavor, but also a bit of alcohol burn in your nose. From the smell, it's the complete opposite. You have just a punch of smoke, and also I'm a bit more experienced connoisseur. You get a bit of an alcohol burn. It's normal for 63%. You can do the breathing technique, but you still get a bit of an alcohol burn. You get sweetness with smoke. Sweetness for me, top of the mouth, the side, the cheeks. Give a bit of a barley note with smoke. A little bit of a heathery, flowery note with smoke. A bit of and here comes the dryness. Again, bit of the sweetness, bit of the barley, a lot of smoke. But I already got that silky smooth feeling of dryness in your mouth, and it dries up pretty quickly. So I don't know what's with me and Octomore. You have an exciting ride, and then it just turns into that silky, smooth mouthfeel, and the smoke is still all over and holds for days. So that is a very exciting bottle, and I can really urge you to try at least one Octomore. The Octomore are different. They do vary. Some of them are more a bit of a darker style with a bit of a more spiciness. This one is a bit more like malty, a bit more sweetness from the red wine, I would guess. But they all have the same basic feel, and that's light on the nose and a heavy punch of smoke. And not just a heavy punch, but or how do they call it? A super heavy smoky whiskey. Super heavily peated Islay whiskey. So it's really exciting. Have a look around on Whisky.com. You will find a lot of these whiskies, or a lot of the Octomore on Whisky.com, and find your Octomore, and then go to your local dealer and find your Octomore that suits you best. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.